In three-phase systems, ensuring proper phase sequence in motors is vital for equipment safety. Incorrect phase sequence leads to reverse motor rotation, which may cause machinery to malfunction or even fail. In this video, we'll discuss how Carlo Gavazzi's DPA51 relay plays a critical role in monitoring phase sequence, preventing costly damage, and guaranteeing reliable motor operation. When the phase sequence is wrong, the motor rotates in reverse. This event is particularly critical in several sectors such as industry, causing motor-driven machine failures and replacement costs; HVAC, leading to compressor failure and downtime; or buildings, compromising safety when moving lifts. Setting up the DPA51 is straightforward. Scan the QR code found on the side of the product to access the instruction manual and install it in just a few simple steps. First, connect the relay to the motor. Ensure that all electrical connections are secure and follow the manufacturer's installation guidelines. Once connected, the DPA51 is up and running and monitoring the phase sequence, so no manual settings are required. The DPA51 relay by Carlo Gavazzi is designed to monitor and detect incorrect phase sequence. Should the DPA51 detect an issue, it can instantly trigger an alert and stop the equipment, preventing further damage. The DPA51 offers great flexibility in terms of compactness of the housing, saving space in distribution panels, wide voltage range, covering the largest number of applications, and relay output, communicating with the largest number of interfaces. By integrating the DPA51 into your system, you can protect your motors from costly repairs and downtime. The relay not only safeguards against phase sequence errors, but also provides phase loss monitoring, regenerated voltage detection, offering comprehensive protection for your equipment. For more information on how to install this essential device, visit our website or contact us today.